Monsieur le vice-président de la République de Gambie, cher grand frère Mohamed Diallo, Mesdames, Messieurs les ministres, Messieurs les ambassadeurs, Monsieur le secrétaire exécutif du secrétariat sénégalo-gambien,
Secretariat of the Senegalo-Gambian Secretariat,
directeurs généraux des
the
agences en charge de la
Director
promotion
Generals
des
of the
investissements
Trade and Investment Promotion
de Gambie et
Agencies
du Sénégal,
of the Gambia and Senegal,
Messieurs les directeurs généraux des
the
agences,
Director Generals
Messieurs,
of
Mesdames les membres
the
du secteur
agencies,
privé,
honorable members of the private sector,
formels comme informels,
whether you are in the informal sector or in the
Chers
formal
invités,
sector, distinguished invitees,
Monsieur le vice-président,
Mr. Vice President,
gannaaw bi ñu nuyoo ñi fi teew ñëpp,
apart from greeting all those who are present
dañuy
here
doore
today,
suñu wax ci gërëm
we
leen ci
would want to
tertu
start
ngeen ñi tertu
by
fii ci Gambie.
thanking you for the honor you have bestowed us
Muy
here in the
ñaareelu
Gambia.
tertu ci
The visit,
diggante ñaar
and
fukki fan,
this is the second visit,
waaye muy tertu boo xam ne dafa
but
feddali
then this visit is
diggante
significant
ñaari réew yi
between the two countries.
nga xam ne
And,
frontière
you know, between the two countries,
làkk gu ñu jëlee feneen rek moo ko def
the
ñaari réew.
borders and the
Waaye
languages
boo ko
that we
xoolee ci
inherited divided into
xool
two,
ko ci
but
diine yi,
tradition.
xool ko ci population yi,
And if you look at the population
mënu ko
dynamics,
xàjjale def ko ñaari réew.
nobody can divide the two countries.
ñu am mbégte teew fii ci
We
li ñu
are
dajale
here today
ndax li ñu dajale ñaar la
to talk about two issues.
Benn
We are
bi
here for two
ci
issues.
li ñuy
Number
def
one,
ëllëg ci secrétariat
what
permanent bi am
we would do
diggante
at the
Gambia
level
ak Sénégal,
of the Senegalo-Gambian Permanent Secretariat,
waaye
but
dañ
then,
ko dañoo jiitaloon li ñu dajale tey.
but
ma
what
jàpp ne
brings
ci li
us
gën a am solo la
here today, I believe, is of
Ndax-
significant importance
ay réew
because, you know, countries,
politique xàjjaleel neen ba
politics can divide them
ngàndaay jóg ci,
to the extent of
waaye ay réew
other issues happening. But
business
then, for the
ak
countries,
commerce
business
ak investissement
and trade
dajale leen
and investment brings them
jubóole leen
together
ba ñu mujj a nekk sax
so that
ay ensemble yu am
at
doole.
the final analysis they can
Kon,
be strong
yoon
blocks.
bi gën a gàtt
So the shortest
ci andi
way
jàmm
to get to
saxal jàmm,
peace, to ensure
waaye
that
ak ci
peace
gën a
is
dëgëral
showed,
ay relation
and but people
day
strengthen
jaar ci
the
yoonu
relationship
commerce.
has to go through trade and business.
boo jëlee lu mel ni Union européenne
If you look at the European Union,
ñëpp xam nañ ni xeex yi gën a
everybody
métti ci àdduna
knows that the
bu ñu tuddee ko
biggest
guerre mondiale
fights in the world, known as the
ba nga
World
dooree
Wars,
foofa.
started in the
te
European
ñaari réew
countries.
yu ko doon
And
yu ko
the
sumb
two countries who highlighted
ñoo
this, who
wëlbatiku.
spearheaded this,
taxawal li ñuy tuddee tey Union européenne te li ko lay liy
the
laytaay bi yëpp
ones who put in place the European
mooy
Union,
commerce
and the
li jëm
underpinning
ci
factor
charbon
is trade of
ak
coal
yeneen source d'énergie.
and other sources of energy.
kon
So therefore,
ba ci wàllu culture
talking about culture,
lay gën a jegele réew yi
what brings
wala peuple
together closely,
bokk na
closer,
ci commerce bokk
you
na
talk
ci
about trade
lépp lu jëm ci économie
and all issues
bokk na ci li jëm ci
relating to
investissement.
economies and investment.
ba làkk yi ñuy làkk sax
Even the languages that
day am
we speak,
toujours
there is
liy
always
yóbbaale làkk yi
what will
ba tax ñu gën a
spearhead
mën a
the
tasaaroo
languages.
day
I mean,
ànd ak ñaare commerce
It
wala diine.
also goes with trade
kon
and
suñu dajee
business.
fii tey
So our meeting here
ci
today
ñaari réew yi nga xam ne benn la daal
in two countries which in
waxtaane
final
li jëm ci
analysis
économie.
are one, to talk
waxtaane
about
li jëm ci
economy,
commerce.
to talk about
waaye
trade,
war a waxtaane ci li jëm
and
ci
also to
investissement
talk
nga
about
xam ne moo yor économie moo yor
investments,
commerce
which
tamit.
is the backbone of the economy
naa ni lu
and
am
trade.
am solo la.
So in view of the above,
tax
I
ñu
believe
amoon-
that this is significant. So
ñu defoon ko farata teewe
this is
fii
why we hosted
gën a feddali
the second
solo
edition
gi ñu
here
jox
with
ndaje
a
yu
view
mel nii.
to showcasing
Li nag
such
di ñaareelu édition
meetings.
bi.
This is the second edition
Lu am
of
solo.
the forum. It's commendable.
ñu ne édition bi dañ ko teg
This edition
ci thématique gu
has as its
ñuy
theme
def ba harmoniser
harmonizing
li nga xam ne mooy
of
environnement des affaires
friendlier business
ñuy def ba
environment.
lépp
All that
lu-
we are doing
li nga xam ne moo wër
all that we
dem
are
dikk bi
doing
ak jëflante bi ci wàllu commerce économie ak
that
investissement
underpins trade,
ñu fexe ba
economy,
niroole ko
and
diggante
investment,
Gambie
that
ak
we have to
Sénégal.
harmonize this between the Gambia and Senegal.
loolu
This,
boo ko jëlee ci ensemble li ñu bokk
in the final analysis, if you look
En
at it
tant
from a global
qu'Africain,
perspective,
Pan-Africain, dañuy
as
njëkk a wax Union
African
africaine.
and Pan-Africans, we
Waaye
have to
Union
talk about
africaine
African
yaatu
Union first. You know, the
Boole
African
réewu
Union
Afrique yépp
is
daanaka.
vast. The idea is to bring together
espace bu yaatu boo
all
xam ne nu mu
the
yaatu
African
yaatu
countries in a big
ci 30
space,
millions de kilomètres carrés
more than 30 million
Jiit yi
square kilometers.
dem nañ ba jàpp
The
ni
heads of states
war nañu fexe ba
have
harmoniser
deemed it necessary
ba
to
ñoŋal
harmonize
lépp loo xam ne dafa jëm
all issues
ci lu permettre
relating that would enable
Afrique doon benn marché
Africa to be a single
looloo
market.
andi ZLECAf bi nga xam
This
ne
is why
réew
the
Afrique yépp signé nañ
the
ko ba mu des benn
AFCTFA,
fi mu toll nii.
all African countries with the exception
Ñu ñëwaat
of
nag
one. Now,
ñun ak Gambie bokk
we
li nga xam
and
ne
the
CEDEAO
Gambia, we all are part and parcel of
muy réew yi nga xam ne
ECOWAS.
Afrique sowu jant
ECOWAS, these are
lañu dajale.
bring together countries in the western part of Africa.
muy espace bu yaatu it ci
This
6 millions de
also
kilomètres carrés
is a 6 million
Waaye réew yi ko
square
bokk.
kilometer space.
ba fii ñu toll nii
For the time
Muy-
being, and currently,
fukk ak juróom benn réew réew yëpp daje
we have
bokk ni dañu war a def
17
benn marché unique
countries who have decided
zone
to
intégrée.
set up a
ba
integrated
lépp loo
zone,
xam ne
a single
luy jafeel
market,
dem
so
beeg
that
dikk bi la ci nit ñi
any things
wala
that
dem beeg dikk bi ci njaay bi nañ ko teg
relating, all the
Dem sax ba
obstacles
ne
should be
dañu war a am tarif
overtaken.
extérieur commun
We even talked about
mooy ñu
creating a
bokk lu ñuy
common
appliqué ci lépp
external
loo xam ne ci
tariff,
douane la
mainly
jógee
to
feneen fu
harmonize
zone boobu
all
dugg ci
issues
suñu
relating
réew
to
yooyu.
customs when it comes to goods coming from other areas into
ñu
our
ñëwaat nag
zone.
bokk yeneen ensemble
Furthermore,
ndax bi ma fii
we
ñëw
have participated in other fora
jamono yooyu weesu
because
li ma andi woon mooy
not long
OMVG.
ago I
nga xam
came
ne
here to attend the
réew yi
OMVG
nga xam ne
meeting.
ñoo bokk
These are countries
ndax yàlla day
that share common
boole nit ñi yenn
heritage
saay par
because God brings together people sometimes
force.
by
bu dee ci nit
force.
dañ naan doo tànn say mbokk
Well, people say
tànn
you
say
cannot
waajur.
choose your
waaye
relatives.
bu dee ci état dañ naan
But
doo
then,
tànn sa dëkkandoo
When it talks about
waaye
state,
léeg-léeg yàlla boole
you
leen ba
cannot
pare
choose your neighbor. But sometimes God
boole
brings
leen loo
you
xam ne
together
pour ngeen gérer ko
so
faw rek
that
ngeen dégg
you can manage
bokk
the
na ci nag lu
affairs.
mel ni
So,
dex yi
for example,
fleuve yi
the
fleuve Gambie
lands, the
fleuve Casamance,
rivers, the Casamance River,
bokk nañ ko
the Gambia River,
diggante Sénégal ak Gambie
is
Moo
our
tax
heritage between Senegal and the Gambia.
Sénégal ak Gambie
And
ñoo daje
this
woon
is
ci
why
jamono
Senegal and Gambia met
daa di
at that
xool nu ñuy
time,
defee ay charte
see how they can come up
Pour
with a charter,
rataxal nu ñuy bokk gérer
to
fleuve Gambie
see
dem
how
nag
together
ba
we can
Guinée-Bissau
smoothly manage
ak
the
Guinée
Gambia
Conakry
River.
ñëw yokku
Thereafter,
waaye
Guinea-Bissau
booy seet
and
statut yi ba léegi
Conakry
Sénégal
joined
ak Gambie
the
ñoo ci nekk.
OMVG. But if you look
Ñoo
at the
ko
status, it is
tabaxoon,
Senegal
moom
and
lañ
the
ci bind.
Gambia who
Moo tax
established
jàpp
the
naa ni monsieur le
OMVG.
vice-président,
So,
bu ko waxee
Vice
président Adama
President,
bokk na ci lu ñu war a
the President, Mr.
yeesalaat
Barrow,
mooy texte yooyu nga xam ne bi ñu koy
we
signé yàgg na lool
should look at the texts because these texts have been signed
Ñu
a
ñëwaat
long
nag
time ago.
yi may wax ni
Furthermore,
yëpp dama jóge ci li gën a yaatu Union africaine
this
ñëw
is-
ci CEDEAO ñëw
I've
ci
talked
OMVG
about a broader
waaye
aspect,
ñu am nag suñu
AU,
secrétariat permanent boo xam ne loolu ci
ECOWAS,
bilatéral la
but
diggante
then
Sénégal
we
ak
have a
Gambie
bilateral institution, the Secretariat between the Gambia and
yàlla def
Senegal.
nag
As God will wish,
2011 ba léegi
in 2000, from 2011
muy fukki at
to date,
ak
namely
ñett
13 years now,
secrétaire permanent boobu
the
dajeetul woon
permanent secretariat
pour li nga
never
xam ne
met
lu ñu war a xool la càmbar
with
ko ci
a
diggante bi
view to looking at
gën
what
koo saytu,
can be done
gën koo rataxal
and to
mën koo saytu.
smooth it so that we'll be able to
Kon
all
tey
benefit
bu
from
ñu ñëwee
it.
daje fii
So
ci Banjul
today, our meeting here in
ci cadre
Banjul,
boobu
within that framework,
dañ koy sant yàlla waaye di ci
we would like
delloo
to
jukkal
thank
ñaari njiitu
God.
réew yi
But then
muy son excellence le
we
président
would have to
Adama Barrow
commend
ak
the
son
two
excellence
heads of
le
state,
président Bassirou Diomaye
President
Diakhar
Adama
Faye.
Barrow and President Bassirou Diomaye Faye.
waaye dinaa ci
But then, please allow
féliciter
me
tam
to congratulate
Monsieur le
also
vice-président,
the
ndax moo
vice
njëkk a jël
president
initiative.
because he was the one who mooted the
Jokkoog ñun.
initiative. he sat with us and said we would like to come to Dakar on a working visit. This took 2 days, and during those 2 days, we discussed about this matter. President Adama Barrow was duly informed, and that before the end of the year, let us try and bring together the community to launch the ideas that are beneficial to both of us. So today's meeting is part and parcel of the Trade Investment Forum. So I would like to congratulate the Gambian authorities. I would like to congratulate the conveners, APIX and JIPA. And also, I would like to congratulate the diplomatic representatives and the 2 private sectors of both the Gambia and Senegal. My dear brothers and sisters, I just said that these 2 countries are one and the same. So, dealing on trade and business should be between since 2001, when it was initiated with 80,000 CFA francs, that is to say, trade between the 2 countries. And 2023, we are talking about 117 billion. There has been a lot of evolution. And it should be stated that this figure should have been hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of $billions, and this should be multiplied by 10 or by 5. This is our ambition now. In the years to come, if we meet again now towards the next 3 years, the 117 billion in terms of commercial trade, we hope that this would attain $500 million. At that time,
li nga xam ne moom la Gambia war a jëriñ Sénégal, Sénégal war koo jëriñ Gambia.
We will be concentrating on mutual benefits and statistics and data have shown this. And this can be done in all fields. We have talked about agriculture here, but then we have infrastructure, we have energy, we have talked a lot about energy during the OMVG meeting, is here in both countries. The transport sector, which is indispensable between the Gambia and Senegal. Land transportation, maritime transportation, because we all have one coast, and then river transportation, but also air transportation. All these above sectors should be developed. When it comes to tourism, and when it comes to the digital economy, the industrial sector, the oil sector today, oil products, the way we have seen it in Senegal, the availability of oil products in Senegal should be the same as in Senegal, because it's the same basin. Maybe it's the prospective platform which is different, but then from the north to the south, you will find oil products. Now, when it comes to fisheries, all the above potential sectors, and we should be able to enhance them between Senegal and the Gambia. But also,
Directeur Général APIX dafa wax ni,
like in his presentation, the Director General of APIX said the manner in which we enhance the relationship between Banjul and Dakar, because when we came, what we had our heart was that all our policies would be taught from our capital. But then if you want to develop the country, everywhere you go in the country, you have to have the same level of development. So Senegal, Dakar is not, Senegal does not stop at Dakar. So consequently,
transformation
program to 2050, Senegal will be divided into hubs. 8 hubs. And these hubs, each of them should be a cradle of development, so that the way we think about it, the way we showcase it, would not mean somebody staying in Dakar and seeing things from the prism of Dakar, but they should take into account the realities of that hub. So we believe that the poles or the hubs, the border hubs, if you take, for example, the Gambia, it has a border with the central hub that is between the region of Kaolack, Kaffrine, and Fatick. This is on the northern part. But then Gambia also has a frontier with the southern hub, that is Ziguinchor, Kolda, and Sédhiou. We believe that if we want to talk about development amongst our two countries, it should not only be between the capital, Banjul, and Dakar, but it should happen concretely on the ground. So those poles, those hubs, how can they work with the Gambia on the border areas? It is part of our agenda. We have to have cross-border economic zones, which would be managed by both countries. These would be economic zones that, first and foremost, would bring together the national private sector, but also would bring foreign investment. And there are rules that govern these hubs, and this would be a win-win partnership. So let us work in that spirit, and whatever we do, each country should find benefits in it. So this is why we are saying that the second edition of this Trade and Investment Forum that we are convening here today is just an extension of what we have done. But then we would like to place particular emphasis. The world is not waiting for us. Africa should know where our backwardness is. And we have what others have been doing in one day. We Africans, we want to do it in 2 months. This explains why we are behind. Cooperation should be done on a day-to-day basis, not only from one summit to the other. This is the crux of the matter. This is why the Secretariat, Permanent Secretariat headquarters in East Gambia, and the country, each country will appoint their representative. And God willing, we will infuse more dynamism into the Secretariat. We will give it the necessary wherewithal so that it will play its rightful role, the role of liaison, facilitation, and fast-tracking of relationship between the two countries. So we are happy, we commend that for some months, if the cooperation between the two countries has been rekindled, because in last July, we convened 2 important meetings. The session of the Trade Committee, we met, but then most especially, it is the second bilateral meeting between the two countries, and attended by the 2 custom administrations, and they have taken fruitful decisions to enhance the investment and business relationship between the two countries. So, Mr. Vice President, their invitees, when we leave, we are here. We are here to showcase our relationship and also the international relationship. Our priority is Africa before else. And within Africa, our priority is the sub-region. But then within the sub-region, our priority would be our immediate neighbors. Because Senegal cannot go and live behind Senegal, neither can the Gambia go without leaving Senegal. Now, I cannot conclude without thanking His Excellency President Adama Barrow for the welcome, but I would also like to congratulate His Excellency Mr. Barrow because the summit we had not long ago here, without his leadership, we would not have attained the result. So on behalf of President Bassirou Diomaye Faye, we would like to congratulate President Barrow. But please allow me to congratulate the Lord Mayor of Banjul, my friend, my sister, for her welcome. I would like to express my satisfaction for the personal relationship, because it is good that she is here. She is the one who is welcoming us here. So we thank you, we greet you, and in your respective works, we would like to wish you all the success. May God give us more. Senegal and the Gambia are one and the same. Nothing can divide the two countries. Long live Senegal, long live the Republic of